Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to track link clicks with the help of Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics 4. That is our website and we can see that is our menu links. Today we have to track this menu link. So let's get started. First thing first, we have already installed Google Tag Manager, and inside Google Tag Manager, I have a Google Tag which activates my Google Analytics 4 tracking code. If you have no idea how to install Google Analytics 4 with Google Tag Manager, then take a look at the description box. You can check it out and back to this tutorial. Firstly, we go to the trigger, create a new trigger and click the just links and giving the trigger name, that is menu links, all links. Save it. After the creating the generic trigger, we have go to the preview options, and that is our website. Connect with the Google Tag Assistant, and we have to randomly click our menu links which we have to track, and back to the Google Tag Assistant, and you can see that our all link clicks are activated with our Google Tag Assistant, because we are creating the generic trigger for track this all links of our website. If you see the link clicks and click it and go to the variable sections, and here we can find out our click text, and as a string value for bicycle we are clicking the bicycle menu, and you can go to the second one and find out the accessories, and go to the third one we can find out the about us menu links. So now we have to create a conditions. By these conditions we have to track each and every menu link clicks. So go to the Google Tag Manager, and in the triggering sections we already created our menu links, all links. So click it. We are just some customized with this trigger because we are apply the perfect conditions. By these conditions the tracking will be the perfect. So select the some link clicks, and the click classes contains we are find out the conditions. In this case, we have to apply our conditions as a menu links. So copy the menu links and back to the Google Tag Manager, paste the menu links. Then go to the save. Now create a tag. So click the tag, create a new tag, and the tag configurations in the Google Analytics. Click the Google Analytics GA4 event measurement ID. We are already created this measurement ID. Just we add our measurement ID as a constant variable, GA4 tag ID. And event name is the custom event name. You can put any kind of event name according to your business goal, but in my case I just putting the menu link clicks. And the event parameter sections, we have to adding the parameter, because you can see that our website has a lots of menu links. You can see the whole website. But how can you understand that which link clicks are clicking our website visitor? In this case, we have to adding some event parameter. Then by using this parameter, we have to understand that actually our visitor are clicking which link are clicks. So add parameter and the event parameter. Firstly, you have to add link URL. Value will be the click URL, and second one is link text, and value will be the click text. So we are adding two parameter. Now time to adding a trigger. We already created this trigger, just adding the trigger on it. That is menu links all clicks. We are almost done. Just we are giving the tag name, that is GA4 menu link clicks. Save this tag and go to the preview option. Check out that our all setup is working perfectly or not. So go to preview and finally click our menu links. Just click the bicycle and back to the tag assistant and the continue. We can see that our GA4 menu link list tag is working perfectly. If you go to the link clicks and click our tag, you can see that GA4 menu link clicks fired perfectly. Now back to Google Analytics 4 and check out that our event and event parameters are find out in Google Analytics 4 or not. So go to Google Analytics 4 property and the admin sections, and in the data display sections, go to the debug view. And here you can see that our menu link clicks event is working perfectly. If you click the menu link clicks and find out our created parameter. First one is link text that we are clicking bicycle, and as well as the link URL, that is our URL. So finally, we are successfully set up how to track menu link clicks by using of Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics source. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video with a new topic. Thank you.